Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be addressing one of the issues of a car, which is the weird mounting hardware for the mirror. The previous owner installed these. I'm guessing the original hardware is screwed or strange. There are also fasteners missing on there were fasteners missing in here and in here and in that one, but I got them with the car, so I reinstalled these. I don't know why the original one didn't. So let's see what holds on this mirror and how I can get it back to original, because there is a mirror cover that's supposed to come over this, but it came with the car in the glove box. Okay, so now I've got this off and I can see what holds this thing on, and there isn't, I don't see how this is supposed to even go on here. Is there supposed to be a backing plate or something? Alright, turns out there is in fact a backing plate, and this mirror does not have the necessary backing plate. The mirror also has other issues. It's got a hole drilled through it, and the whole backside is quite faded. However, I was lucky to source a mirror from an EK hatchback, which is, as far as I can tell, exactly the same mirror. And it's a much nicer black color, and it has the necessary backing plate to install it onto the ceiling of the car. It's also in much better shape, does not have the hole, it's not faded anywhere. The only problems are a bit of like spillage of glue in each corner, but I really don't care. For the fasteners, I went out and bought M5 by 16 Allen head bolts, 3 of them, which should be a direct fit, and they are. They stick out far enough to work just fine. So I'm gonna mount the mirror. So there you go, the mirror is now properly mounted, very secure, well, pretty secure, and works as specified. And now the cover should be able to just pop right on. But I'm not going to do that, since first I have to clean the vinyl and the cover and everything else in this car, since it's so damn dirty. Damn. Okay, so another minor interior thing I'd like to address is the dome light. It kinda loosely moves in its place. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that, but I'm gonna try to fasten it down a bit more. There's another issue with the dome light. It kinda flickers on and off when you open and close the door. That's more due to the switch in the door rather than the actual panel. So I'm gonna try and see how I can fasten this down better so it doesn't rattle around. So let's see what kind of bit I need. This one will do. Okay. Something fell out. I think it was a clip of some kind. There doesn't seem to be anything holding this thing in rather than luck and hope. I was expecting more from Honda, to be honest. I don't see anything else. Oh, I see 2 things here. Are those supposed to hook on? There are 2 little rectangular hooks right here. Ah, there we go. I think it's here. Here, and that should hold it in place, but it doesn't. Is this slip too far out? Can I try bending it out a bit? So I'm bending the lip a bit, where it's supposed to grab, so it stands out just a little bit more. than it did previously. Alright, let's see. Oh, I think I got something. Oh, there we go. Now it's in. So I got it in. Now just screw the fucker back on. And there we go. Strong as God knows what. Another interior issue successfully solved. It's like this. Ah, there we go. Now it's all sturdy again. So nice and tight in there. Nice. Love it. See, the dome light works. Opening the door. Success. Very nice.